How to log in to mymilestonecard.com. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you through the process in order to log in into My Milestone. So let's just get started. First of all, let's head over to their website, which is milestone.myfinanceservice.com. And once you go to their website, you will be dedicated directly with the login page right here. Now, all you gotta do is use your username of your mobile banking and then your password right below it. And once that is done, you can simply tap on login and you will be directly logged in. If you forgot your username or password, you can tap on this forgot username or password. Or if you're signing in for the first time, you can look out for this register your account option and follow the process to register your account. And that way, you can basically log into my milestonecard.com very easily. And that's it. So that is it for today's video. I hope this information was helpful to you. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.